Oren token base. If you don't kill these two, you will get escorts. So kill those right away. You don't want escorts to attack you, so if you kill those two, they won't produce escorts. All right, let's get rid of the other Serb. We got one over here. He's a little bashful. You got to bring him out. All right, we got rid of him. Now let's go clear this side over here. Bring these guys up here so that they can protect us if they need to. Put them on hold. We're going to attack with overseers. First thing we want to distract. Distract so that he will shoot. Now we'll shoot over here. We should get less damage on the overseers. Our goal is to kill the rail. All right, we got him. Now we want to kill the tower. Okay, here comes. We'll let the Nick clear out the air. All right, that's gone. We're going to shoot here just so that the guys in the tower will shoot our bullets and not shoot our overseer. Now we'll shoot the tower. Okay, let's go clear out the other side. Oh. All right, let's go over here and clear out the other side. Don't need you. Need you two guys to come over here as protection in case anything comes. All right, stay right there. Now we're going to do the same thing we did. The overseers are going to shoot here to get this guy to shoot at our bullets. As soon as he shoots at our bullets, we'll clear out the base. That's how you kill the rail without the rail shooting you. Okay, get these guys back here. Nick will now take over. See if we can get the air. The air is sometimes... There we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. You want to clear out the air because the air will cause trouble for you later. All right, leave him right there. Hold, okay. Now we'll bring the overseers in. You got to angle it right. You don't want the rail to shoot you. Okay, get them out of there. All right. Now we're going to bring him over here for protection. Get over there. All right, put him on hold. Now we're going to take out the rest of the base. Overseers are very good at this. Be careful where you shoot because there's certain things that, okay, that will clear this up. Now clear this stuff out over here. Don't get near him. He'll kill you. All right. Don't kill that because you're going to need that to kill the rail. So save that wall. You want to shoot right here to kill the rail. That way the rail will not shoot you. All right. Bring him over here because sometimes they attack. He's just protection for your overseers. All right, now we're going to shoot here. He will shoot at that. When he shoots at that, we kill him. Okay, Romero is stupid. Romero, get out of here. You're just causing a pain in the butt. That's it. Basically, it's very simple now. You're just cleaning up. There's really nothing that can hurt you now. That's it. We're almost done. One more shot and we're done. One token for Oren. You don't get a lot of damage. You get a little bit. You don't get a lot. Let's see how much we got here. All right, 13 minutes, but what that really means is no damage because we're just going to take out the, okay, 4.5 minutes, and that was because Romero was stupid. Romero usually doesn't do that. Now you just repair a couple of overseers at a time, and you'll have no repair. So as you can see, it's immediate repair. That's it. So you got Nick, you got Romero, you got 6 overseers, and it's just that easy.